My name is Stefan Swint, and this is my wife Jill, and we are building the Stonebrook 5. So the best part of our experience so far has been working with the people. The design team is phenomenal, the sales team has been outrageous, and I'm fully expecting the construction team to be the same. So what we feel sets Shaw Homes apart from the other builders, when we were doing our interview process, we were looking for neighborhoods with specific land sizes, house layouts. They were very accommodating. They gave us instructions to go look at the properties. They gave us multiple options, and Shannon, our salesperson, even went with us and showed us some properties. It was very accommodating, very helpful.
If I was going to give somebody some advice to look at Shaw Homes, I would tell them to go look at all the model homes. I'm a visual person, so I like to see the different textures and colors and designs in person.
Yeah, the tour of model homes was definitely helpful in making many of our design decisions and even picking out our floor plans.